Hey there, guys. I want to go through just this check for understanding. A lot of people did really well on it, but there are a couple questions I wanted to go through, or I'm going to go through all 5 of these questions. So first one says, what's the probability that on any given day one employee calls in sick? So all we're looking at is right here, pretty straightforward. And so one employee, that would be 23, so we'd say that that is 23%. If you go to the next, what's the probability that on any given day at most? So the most that we'd have is 4. So it would be 4 on down to here. So we would add this 10% plus 23% plus 18% plus 16% plus 13%. If you added all those together, you would get 80%. And so that would be our answer. If you go to the next one, okay, what's the probability that between 2 and 4 call in sick? Well, between 2 and 4, it's not inclusive. So the only thing that's between 2 and 4 would be 3, so that would be 16%. Okay, then it says, what's the probability that between 1 and 4, inclusive, here's the key word, inclusive means we would include them. So we're between 1 and 4, and we would include 1 and 4. So we're going to add 23% plus 18% plus 16% plus 13%. And if we do that, we're going to get 70% of it. Last one, the number of employees, what's the probability that more than 4 employees? So more than 4, so we're not including 4, we're going more than it. So it'd be 5. What's more than 4 is 5 and 6. So 10 plus 10 is 20%. And so that would be the answer that we go through. I encourage you guys to look at it. You know, the keywords that we're looking for that you're going to see over the next weeks. At least, at most, more than, less than, and then you're going to have between these two values and between when it's inclusive as well. So you're going to see these over and over and over. So at least would be greater than or equal to. At most would be less than or equal to. More than would be greater than. Less than would be less than that. Between would just be, we wouldn't include the outside values. And between inclusive means we would include those values that it says. So you want to go through this, you're going to have another worksheet going through these same idea.